Hi, this is Jimmy from Carter Fitness. Today I'm going to show you 3 of the must-do stretches that you need to do every day, especially if you're a lifter and you're trying to get into some positions where your muscles might be tight. We try to tell our clients to do these 3 exercises almost every day. What they're going to do is kind of stretch out the muscles that get tight in our everyday lives just from sitting and kind of being sedentary. So the first one's going to be a half kneeling stretch. Now if you don't have something like a split squat, you can put your foot on the back of a chair, you can put your foot up on a wall, but today we're going to use this. So what you're going to do is put your back foot on any kind of apparatus that you have available. You're going to let this stretch out your quad to the knee that's down. You're going to feel a really big stretch in your quad and maybe even in your hip flexor. Now a big mistake that a lot of people make is they try to push that hip that's down forward. Well, all that's doing is kind of stretching the joint in the capsule area. What we're trying to do is soften this tissue up and kind of stretch it. So you actually want to be pretty much 90-90. And if you want to get a little bit more of a stretch, then we usually tell people to squeeze that glute of the knee that's down. We usually hold for about a minute each side. So that's the first one. Second one that we usually do is a Spider-Man stretch. So that's going to get the hip flexors, the quads, and open the hips up a little bit more. So you're going to put your hands down, bring one foot up outside the other hand, put that back knee down, and just stretch. Again, a minute each side. You may feel it in your adductor of the front leg, definitely feel it in the quad and the hip flexor on this side. And then what you'll do is switch. Again, a minute. Then last one is going to be a calf stretch. So a lot of people's calves, especially the medial side, will get tight. And if you have squats that day or you have to get down into a deeper position, this may prevent you from getting down there in a safe position. So all it is, most people have done it, is it's just a hanging calf stretch. So you can do it anywhere. Most people do it on a set of steps, but you're going to lock one leg out. You're going to drive that heel down. Keep that knee tight, and you're going to get a stretch in your calf. Again, about a minute each side.